Hey guys, what is up? It is Will today and welcome back to another video of my Discord bot tutorial series. Today is episode 2 and what we're going to be doing in this one is how you can hide your bot token, which is this right here. If you watched my episode 1, you will know that your bot token is basically the password to get into your bot. If someone has that, then they can basically hack your bot and do all sorts of stuff with it. So if you were, there's a couple of ways that people can get this. If you were going to share your code and then your token was in it, obviously they could get that. If you're doing a live stream on YouTube and you happen to accidentally show your token, again, that's another way. But this is just a way of being able to put this in another file, then we can call it out of that file, and then just have it act as normal. So let's get right into this. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to just go over to this new file button right here, and we're just going to call this config.json, just like this. So config.json, oops, there we go, like that, and then just click enter. We have a new fresh file like this. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to put a pair of braces in. If you watch my episode 1, I explained what braces are. They're just these curly brackets that you will have seen normally when you're doing coding and stuff like that, or you've seen other people code, you've probably seen these before. Anyway, they're just called braces. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to do some open quote marks like this, and I'm going to type token. And then I'm going to put a colon on the other side of that. We'll put space and then more quote marks. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually put our token inside of here. So let's go back into our index.js file here. I'll just copy this token. We're just going to go back into here. I'm just going to paste it in there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to open up the terminal and we're just going to test this. So I'm going to do node space dot, and that should say our bot is online. And our bot is, again, yes, it is online because we've just basically just logged in with our bot token again from another file. So let's just test this and do ping like this. As you can see, the bot still works exactly the same. So you may be asking if I wanted to add more things to this. You can definitely do that. So let's try it with the prefix. I don't know why you want to hide your prefix, but then again you just can. So let's just remove this right here, and then we'll just go into our config. We're going to put a comma here. That's very important. And then we're just going to name this prefix. So I'll just type that out. Prefix. We'll have a colon, more quote marks, and we'll just put our exclamation mark in there. And then we're just going to go back into our index.js. And then we're just going to do where this prefix is, we're going to just do require. And then the same up here, what we did before. So dot slash, and then config.json. I typed that wrong, didn't I? Yes. There you go. Config.json like that. And then this time we're just going to do prefix. So how do you spell it? It's like prefix. There we go. So that's going to work exactly the same way. So let's run our bot. So I'm going to do node space dot again. Just like that, our bot is online. And if I do ping, it should reply pong. So exactly like I said, you can add as much as you want to that one file to get different strings across, or whatever you want. So like we've just done a token on a prefix. We could do like API keys and passwords to stuff that the bot needs to access online and stuff like that. So let's do that now. I'm just going to do API, and then we're going to put a key of 1, 2, 3, 4 in here. That means nothing, it's just as a test. We're going to go back into our index.js, and I'm just going to copy this because I'm lazy. And then we're just going to do const API key. We'll do require that, and we're just going to do API like that. So that's going to fetch the API key from here. So it finds our config.json and it gets the data that has API in front of it, aka R1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm just going to console.log that so you can see that that's doing it correctly. So I'm just going to do console .log, and then we're just going to do API key. Just like that. And when I run a new terminal, it should put 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, it does. So guys, that is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know it was very, very small, but I'm trying to upload daily all the way up until Christmas. Maybe tomorrow or the day after, I'm going to do an episode 3 to this series where I will be showing you guys how to make a help command that has turnable pages, so you can click a reaction and then it will just turn to the next page of the help. So I'll just show like a demonstration of what that means. I'll go into my testing server, and in my Discord bot I've made a help command that looks like this. And then you can just turn the pages by doing, by clicking these reactions. You can go back and forth between the pages. If you've got like separate categories, for example, that would be very useful for. It's really nice to use and it's actually pretty simple to do. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you liked it, like it obviously. And if you really liked it, then make sure to subscribe. But thanks for watching, guys. I've been Will TDA, and I'll see you all later. Bye!